We are officially recording. So, for those of you who don't know, we recorded well, which is all of you. Recorded a video on Neo. I unfortunately did not record it, so we spoke for like 5 or 10 minutes and recorded none of it. So, we're just gonna
I'll just fucking try, man.
we're just gonna record our thoughts on on Neo here again. So, take it away, Messon. What are your thoughts on Neo?
So we'll try to keep it short again, man. I guess. Are you recording now for sure,
Yeah,
or
yeah. No, let me double check. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, we're recording. There we go.
double check? Uh, ban-
Oh my god, this guy's like under a bridge, bro. Your Wi-Fi is shit. Yo, can you hear me? Oh, hold on, guys. We'll give him a second. We live in different provinces here.
yeah, no, I'm good. Now. I can hear you, but you
You can hear me?
could.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I couldn't hear you for any of that. So just start over. I can hear you now.
Yeah, okay, no. So let's just, if we're keeping it short and just go over whatever we just talked about.
Yeah.
Um, uh, Basically, with Neo, what happened is that we pierced through the $10 region. We went up all the way to the $23 region. Now we just stayed there for a bit, consolidated, tried to retest it again, but we didn't get as close as the previous high here if we're going back. So that kind of gives us a bit of a sign that uh, in terms of gas and steam, we went all the way down. We pierced through the $20 again, found support at the $16 region, then went back up and pierced through the $20 region again. So in general, to me right now, it doesn't look like we have enough steam to hit those previous highs that we already did. The first previous high was all the way up to 23. The second one didn't really hit that, and now here we're looking like it's kind of having a bit of hard time keeping up. So in general, to me, this is looking like it's a quick, short opportunity for the next, I would say, maybe 3, 4 days. And in general, if we're looking at our RSI for now, for the on the 1 hour time frame, we're already in the oversold region, and we should be expecting a bit of a downtrend coming soon. We can already tell that the market is reacting to that, and we'll see. Just like we said, if I go on the 1 day chart now, there aren't a lot of signs of this going down anytime soon, except for maybe retesting. But this is not enough for me to jump on this trade right away. I would like to see how the candle would close or where it would close, and if it closes below the previous candle or not. However, we are already seeing lower highs on the RSI on the daily chart. So that should give us that gives us a bit of a sign that hey, something that reversal is going to happen soon.
It's pretty
But if
overbought
we're
too, eh?
Oh yeah, it is
That's
overbought.
really overbought. That's a high overbought region.
It is. Oh, definitely. And usually when we're looking at this and we're having a bit of an uptrend while our RSI is giving us lower highs, like we're seeing, then that's definitely a major sign of reversal coming.
Oh yeah,
And,
yeah.
and if we're trying to be a bit more precise, when we go to our 4 hour region, we're looking at our MACD is already ticking down, and then our RSI is still in the overbought region. So this is also telling us the same story. And if we're going a bit more and more precise on this, yeah, just like we said before, the RSI is still saying the same thing, and the not a lot is going on in MACD. And basically, for me to actually enter this trade right now, I would enter at the 4 hour region. And for me, if I would, my plan is if this candle, we still have a good 3 hours to go. If this candle closes below the previous candle here, then we have, and it actually would close at a larger body than the previous candle, then there's a bearish engulfing candle, and this also adds. This would be the basically the last straw, and that's what actually gets me into the shorting trade. But yeah, if it does close below, goes below, and closes there, then I would enter that, and I would say if I'm shorting this short position, I would enter somewhere around here. I would kind of keep my Stop loss a bit tight, somewhere around, I'll just give it a bit of a wiggle room here, maybe a good like 3.5%. And yeah, we'll just write it down. If it's going down to the $20 region, that's a good 5%. But I'm not sure if that's going to hold. And we tried before, tried to stay above it. We pierced through twice. We tried to go above, it didn't. Then we broke down, really went all the way down, and now we're piercing through it again. It might go up. So it might go above these, and if it doesn't go above these previous highs, then that's a completely different story. We should be looking at more of a long term position, but sorry, a long position. But if it doesn't, which it doesn't look like it will for me, then easily to the $20 region. If not, then somewhere around the $19 region with a good 10% profit.
Yeah, man. This makes sense to me. I'm liking this, especially those indicators like the RSI looking very overbought, the MACD looking like it's overbought as well, and with these a lower high, like this is just all a recipe for a good short trade here. Yeah, makes sense to me, man.
Yeah. But yeah, we'll see. Just like you said again, I keep stealing the same quote you get, but it all depends on what happens with Bitcoin and the market in general. So
Yeah.
we're in a consolidation phase right now. Anything can happen. We just need to be very careful. Make sure you have all your stop losses in. Don't just jump into anything without at least managing your risk and just making sure that capital stays there.
Preach, preach. Words of wisdom. All
Sure.
right, man. So if that's all for me here, do you? If you have anything else to add?
No, that's pretty much it. You better have recorded this because we're not doing this again.
Yeah, no, it's recorded. We're good. We're good. All right. Also, for those who have stuck this far, thanks for staying in, staying tuned here. If you could please like, subscribe, comment, share, it really helps out the channel. So that's it for now, guys. Stay tuned.